You want the seat? You can keep the seat. When you keep the seat, make sure you can sit down in it.
Manners.
Hello, how may I help you?
Search for the owner for your bar there.
Excuse me, I'm here the owner.
You don't even look like your old school good much just own a bar.
Sir, me say I'm here the owner. You want something?
Yes, the owner of course.
Come like you come for make trouble today and I'm say if you're not buying nothing to the door there.
Sarah, I'll take it from here. What are you doing? Are you trying to blow my cover?
Isn't this a public space? Just come to have a little drink and meet the owner.
How did you find me?
Like if I got someone to do the same thing what you do, just do the maths.
So, am I to conclude that you're a professional stalker?
As I said before, we do the same job. So if I'm a stalker, I guess you're one as well.
To what do I owe this visit, sir?
Well, just a coincidence I find myself in this bar for a drink, you know?
Is this really a coincidence? Because for out of all the bars on the stretch, you found this one.
So I guess the said only am question me I just serve me a drink.
What are you having?
Well, just give me one of your special then.
You sure you want one of my special? Because my special is a shot to go.
So when I say a shot to go, you mean a shot to go around to the back?
Okay, so aren't you supposed to be on assignment?
Well, yeah, but nobody not work 24 hours without a lunch break.
And in your case, you call this a bar break, right?
Hmm. Call it that now.
One shot or two?
So much shot good for you. One or two.
So, let me get this straight. You're on assignment and you're taking a bar break. Two shots of Campari. What's up with that?
Hmm. Now I'm all pre this man. Just ask me some McMuggins for.
Out of curiosity, how did you get into the agency?
You know some music run off for a little place near Malberton though.
Where is that?
Chilani. How you not come from boy? Yeah?
Really? We have 14 parishes and many towns. You expect me to know all of them?
Well, you used to run off for places, see it? And get in a little trouble and some mulling said him gonna lock me up. Then him just give me a deal and say, oh, it's either jail or you can help out your country.
So that's the political way of saying you became a snitch.
Snitch, never that. As I say, help out my country. Help out the youth them in my community and them thing, you know? But as I said before, we do the same job. Well, that means if me a snitch, you a snitch too.
So you're assuming that I'm a gang leader as well?
Well, I never asked you how you get in the agency still, but like how they here, how did you get into the agency?
Well, to sum it up, I was a high ranking officer who led missions to war.
Hmm. That's why you're strong, so. Oh no, man, still hurt me. I guess you owe me a massage.
I don't like calling people by their alias. What's your name?
Shit's good, man. Just work with that.
Or should I call you Delton, aka Ataclaps, from the Nightshades gang?
So, who is the professional stalker now?
There's a difference between stalking and doing research. No one outside of the A team should know about this establishment. Why are you here?
Don't have to take it so serious. Just a mutual link.
I don't do mutual links. You know the kind of job that we do?
One umbrella and one of you.
Are you flirting with me?
So why you see it as flirting and not me just liking you.
Really? Like,
So you don't believe in a like at first sight.
what could you possibly like about me outside of physical attraction?
That's the energy we bring, you know?
So, agent, you're saying you judge my energy from one informal meeting?
Well, I guess that's just my gift. And it wasn't just informal, it was physical too.